Now it's time for Winner Chicken Dinner. This week our question was, what day do we celebrate Earth Day? And the answer is April 22nd. 98 kids submitted a trivia question answer. What I did to pick the winners was, we picked numbers between 1 and 98. We picked 5 of them. Number 5, number 23, number 33, number 44, and number 55. The kids that submitted during that number are our winners. And they have won a Zoom check-in with me. The winner chicken dinners are from 1B, Stanley. From 1B, Henry. From 2D, Mira. From 2A, Sophia. And last one, from 2B, Owen. So look for an email from me. Can't wait to see you. And stay tuned next week for the next trivia question.